There are many iron products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best irons from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Nubular Travel Iron, rating 4.3. The portable travel iron adopts diamond-coated ceramic sole plate, which conducts heat quickly and more scratch-resistant than stainless steel plates. Easy cleaning, smooth surface, glides effortlessly over delicate fabrics. The front and back double-pointed arc design is helpful for ironing small areas, such as buttons, plackets, collars, etc. Quickly heats up and maintained at a constant temperature of 300 to 150 within 2 mins. You can go directly to dry ironing. Use the practical resistant silicone stand during use to rest the hot iron. No damage to desktop. If you need to iron clothes with more wrinkles, spray some water on top of it with your spray bottle first to make it smoother. Number 4. Sunbeam Travel Steam Iron, rating 4.4. Made to travel, 1080-watt dual voltage, 120V 240V, for local or international travel. Lightweight and portable at 1.2 pounds. Travel bag included. Powerful shot of steam feature. Works horizontally or vertically for hanging garments, upholstery or drapery. Easy to use. Soft touch ergonomic handle keeps controls at your fingertips with an 8-foot cord to easily access outlets. Fabric select. Control dial offers the right heat for different fabrics including linen, cotton, silk, wool and more. Number 3. Panasonic Cordless Iron, rating 4.5. End the hassle of twisted, tangled power cords and embrace quicker, easier ironing of your clothes, sewing, and crafts. Perfect for large areas, as well as precision work. Ultra smooth glide with a curved, non-stick sole plate. Nickel-coated stainless steel sole plate gently glides over clothes and treasured handmade pieces. Non-stick coated surface ensures that glue removes easily. Natural 360 degrees movement with precision tips. Freestyle clothes iron moves effortlessly in any direction. To quickly cover even large surface areas, double-tipped sole plate makes detail work a snap. Number 2. Botrel Steam Iron, rating 4.6. Ceramic coated sole plate. Non-stick and glides over all fabric smoothly, harder than stainless steel. Super scratch resistant, and more durable and easier to clean. Faster heating. Our steam iron reaches max temperature in less than a minute, much faster than traditional irons. Easy control thermostat dial. Simply select a fabric type and the iron will automatically heat to just the right temperature. Automatically turns off the iron after 8 minutes if left sitting vertical, and after 30 seconds if left horizontal or tipped over. All pre-tested. Every iron is tested by our CA team before leaving the factory, so you are assured quality right out of the box. Number 1. Sunnu Pro Steam Station, rating 4.9. This safety feature ensures the Pro Steam Station is turned off automatically after 10 minutes, avoiding accidents and burnt clothes. With the LED display you can clearly know the temperature level, eco, max, and water shortage protection. The self-cleaning feature can expel water scales and other debris. Anti-calc prevents mineral buildup. 1.5 L 50.72 ounces removable water tank. Large detachable large capacity water tank design allows for longer periods of ironing without refills and is suitable for large family populations, hotels, clothing stores, etc. Equipped with a measuring cup, it provides for easy refills and endless ironing sessions. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.